Hey guys, it's Manny Vlogs, and today in this video I will want to give a shout out to one of my friends that I met today. So I'm just gonna load and we're gonna play some Animal Jam today, cause why not? We need to save the habitats. Yeah, wait 2 seconds, because I don't want an ad to pop up. Don't get fooled by this one, no. Here. I hate you, Del, right now. Okay, come on, Animal Jam. Come on, come on. Why you gotta do this? Okay, apparently, if you guys want to add me, my name is Mr. Derps 123. I mean, Mr. Derps 3. Sorry, if you guys don't like cracking knuckles. I'm sorry. But it's this one right here. He's pretty cool. So we're just gonna wait. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that in his URL it says cut. But here's his channel. He is awesome. Definitely go and get his videos. So, yeah. There. Shout out, and also the best thing is how he subbed me. So, yeah, come on. Come on, Animal Jam, you can't do this. You can't. Come on. Oh, I'm not here. See right here, me. Da. Me. But anyways, the jabber. Let's get into the purpose of this video. With the lag. Okay, I will turn off the volume. I don't want to go to the Forgotten Desert. I don't want to be forgotten with it. That's how you roast people in this. I'm not kidding. I just roasted her. Where do we go now? Let's not go to Antarctica. Plus, if you're ever going to play, I would recommend going as the penguin, because the penguin can either go in water or out of water. Let's see if we can get a pet. Honestly. Come on, I'm legit clicking, and it's like, no, and then I'm like, dude, come on. It's whenever I'm on, almost all the animals are out, and I'm just like, nope. But you know what, I like eating, so let's play Fruit Slinger. A one-player game. How's my recording? Yeah, it's good. That game. I like the music. I know. There with physics. I knew it would work. Boom. Okay. That moment when you're friends and you notice that you miserably failed. At life. Oh, hey, yes. No, why you gonna do that? Just think of the physics, then you can get it. No. Ooh. I was just a tad bit lower. And we murdered him. We murdered him. I just like this game. Well, I'm a nice sleepy penguin. Why are you gonna lag? Here. Oh, what if it murders them? Murder, murder, murder. Come on. Murder one of them. Murder one of them. Oh, you guys are so close. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yes. I'm a pro. One more, one more. Oh, yes. Come on. Yes. Oh, wasted. I murdered all of them. Did I not? Okay. It's like, here, after this level, oh, it's might hit just the middle. Oh, right underneath. Because then that dude will go down, and this dude will not carry enough. Okay, I feel down there would be good. Because, yeah. I didn't get it. No, come on, come on. Yes! We completed half of it, and I think this should end the video. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe and like. And so next video, if you guys want a shout out, you have to subscribe and like the video, and then I will give you guys a shout out. So yeah, subscribe to the dude, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.